if you know somebody well, for example, your family members or your friends, use the word привет. 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 If you don't know somebody well, or if you see this person for the first time, use the word здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. And the short version of this word is здрасте. Здрасте. We use this one when we speak quickly. Здрасте.
Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Good morning. Доброе утро.
Добрый день. Добрый день. Good day. Добрый день. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Добрый вечер. Good night. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Пока. Пока. And again, you use this one with your friends and with people you know well. Пока. До свидания. До свидания. You use this phrase with people you don't know well or with people you treat with respect. До свидания. До свидания.